there's one shortcut that has to do with the direction keys on your keyboard, the direction keys. Now to demonstrate, let me open two apps again. Okay, so you can see like these two apps are open. Now imagine if, for example, you are, you know what, just take let me just demonstrate it very quickly, okay, in a way that you can really practice with it. Now imagine if you want to type something, and maybe this is you have something like a PDF or something, you know and let's say, let me open Microsoft Word now. Okay, and you want to type something that is in your computer. Let me see .pdf. Let me see if I can get something. Okay, yes, let's say I have this one, this PDF. Okay, and I have something like this PDF open. All right, and let me minimize this and also minimize this. And imagine you want to type something from this PDF. Okay, you want to be looking at what is here and typing it. Now, if you just have it like this and you say ever wonder why sentences have tiny dots, and you minimize and you say ever wonder why, such, and you come again and go back to the PDF again, and you it's just crazy slow, and this is where this shortcut comes in so handy. Okay, because what you just do is the Windows direction key. What it does for you is, if you press the Windows key, all right, and Windows, and it helps you to section the apps that are currently open in your to arrange it left or right so that it's ordered, and you can, you know s- see the both of them at the same time in an ordered way. So if I press Windows and the left direction, you see that it will split this one to this side. And if I come and left click on this one, somehow automatically, as though MS Word and the operating system knows, it will split the other one to the right. But in case it doesn't do that, so let me just maximize this. You just press Windows and the right key, and it splits it. And you can now go ahead and use these bars to arrange it well, because of course, since it is split into half, it may not show all the text. So you can just arrange it well and begin to type what you want to type. Ever wondered why such sentences? You see that? So it's so efficient and neat and ordered. It's a very wonderful pain point that is solved, when it comes to typing stuff that is also in your system. you know so that's really for that. And that brings us to the end of this walkthrough on shortcuts. I hope you really um, benefited a lot. As simple as it is really insightful and helpful. Okay, so wherever you are viewing this from, kindly subscribe or enroll. Okay, and of course, you get to get more insightful, useful digital and ICT related tutorials and courses, you know, to equip us for this 21st century age we are in, and just advanced development. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye, bye, bye for now.